Hello friend, this is Nitin Singh and today we're gonna look how to create Angular 2 application from scratch. If you have gone through my previous screencast, hope you have installed Node.js and Visual Studio Code. In my last screencast, I have shown how to use Angular CLI to quickly build our application without any kind of, you know, uh, without taking any kind of command, and we can do that very easily with Angular CLI. But what if we want to do create Angular application from scratch? So let's start and see how to create it. Just create a new directory and navigate to our code browser, a code editor I would say. Just start in a code, VS Code. Okay, right now we have to create our package.json, which will contain the metadata of project. So let's start our code terminal using control tilde sign. Just type npm init -y minus dash y, that's init -y for a default configuration. So if you don't specify -y or -y, so you have to manually specify the name of the project and version and all. So if you want a default setting, so just type -y, it will create default settings. Okay, so package.json contains following details. So now let me install the light server, which will just have the ability to reload the browser. If I change the HTML page automatically, I don't have to reload browser again and again. So for that I will install light server. This package is given by John Papa. uh, Very cool package. uh, just you know to type npm install light server and save it to dev dependency and press enter. This may take couple of minutes to install. So as soon as this get installed, I will be back. Light server has been installed. Let's see how it works. For that, first of all, I will add index.html page, and let's add some HTML to it. In this screencast, we will cover the TypeScript configuration. Okay, and to run light server, just need to do little bit of configuration in the package.json. Save our changes. This is the name of light server, and we will use the shorter version, that is light, to start our light server. For using that, just before save all the changes and just start by typing npm run light and press enter. This will start the browser and load the index.html. Okay, as you can see, it has opened the browser and our TypeScript file is here. Let me show you another cool thing. So as soon as I just change the index.html file, and save it, it will automatically reload my browser and show the changes. Okay, so this is the cool thing about the light server. So let's stop the server and let's install TypeScript now. So to install TypeScript, just type install TypeScript, and another thing is that would be required would be typings. Typings are nothing but required by TypeScript to know how external libraries are used. Okay, and just save it to dev dependency. and press enter. This will install TypeScript with typings. So let it get installed. I will resume it once it get installed. Okay. So TypeScript has been installed. Let's add typing configuration file, that is tsconfig.json, and another file is configuration for typings, that is typings.json. So in TypeScript configuration file I will add the compiler options. First would be target. We will be targeting ECMAScript 5, and there will be module will be a common JS, and module resolution which will be Node, as we are using Node. Another would be our source map, so this will be true. So it will create a mapping file for our JavaScript and TypeScript config file. You can see the source map file once the TypeScript file get compiled, and it create .map file as well. Okay. So now required is emit decoration. This emit decorator metadata is used to leverage the ECMAScript 5 features, which we will be discussing later on. Remove comments. Let that be false, so no need to change anything. Okay, so this is configuration for your TypeScript configuration file. Let's now install the typings. Just type npm install typings globally. Install it globally. If you already installed it, no need to install it, but just to remember that, just install if you don't know if you have installed it or not. -g option is for global, so you can use -g for installing it globally, so no need to install it again and again. Okay, let this package get installed and I will back in a couple of. So as you can see, typing has been installed. Let install core modules for IntelliSense in our that we get IntelliSense in our TypeScript while typing TypeScript. For that we need a few packages. Let's use typing for installing that. And the core packages are till core-js, Jasmine, and detailed node. Just save it globally. Install this package, and with reference of this package we will get IntelliSense in our TypeScript file as TypeScript while typing TypeScript codes. Okay, as you can see, there is the folder has been created, and in our typing.json this has been added. Okay, so let's add some of the things in package.json, like TypeScript compiler, and TypeScript in watch mode, using TypeScript -w flag. This will watch for the TypeScript file, and it will transpile it as soon as it finds that it has been changed. Okay, typings, and another will be typings, and another thing will be required, which is post installation. After installing everything, I want typings to be installed. Just this command, and I have to install one more package because I want to concurrently run more than one command. Okay, so for that I just need to install npm install concurrently package, save in the dev dependency. I will back once this is done. So as you can see, we got some error. Let's try it once again. Okay, right now it's getting installed. I will back if as soon as it gets installed. So as you can see, concurrently has been installed. Let's add some more command to a script object. Here we will run more than one command at a time, which will be transcript compiler and concurrently we want our other command should be run as well, which will be npm run tsc TypeScript compiler in watch mode and npm run light. Okay, just save it. And let's see it in action. It is working or not. Before that, I would create a folder called app, and in this I will add a TypeScript file, that is .test.ts, and let me start my npm server or light server, I would say. For that I have to npm start and only we need npm start to start our light server. It will right now start 3 concurrent process. The first will be the TypeScript compiler and 3 commands concurrently will be the TypeScript watch function that will be run on this and the light server. Okay, so let's see in action. So as you can see, the npm server has been started. The light server 3 commands have been started. First will be the transpiler. As you can see, there's test.ts file has been created and browser has been automatically started. So this is not our concern. Let's see how it looks in the JS file. Okay, I will this open, and okay, here we have. Let's add some code to our let's give anything name to our class, and let me add a function called, let it call something which take name which return hello name. Let's create object of this class. And using this data obj, I can call it something function. As you can see, IntelliSense is properly working and it is showing that there is a method called something which requires some parameter. Let's use the powerful feature that is typed version. I want here a string, so even it will show. As you can see here, it is showing that the parameter you will pass should be in string format. Okay, so even if you type 123, it will give the compilation error. Okay, so you have to put something which is in string. Okay, like Nitin. So as soon as I just press Ctrl S, you will see a transpiled version in the JavaScript over here. As you can see, this is the JavaScript version of the of our TypeScript. Okay, as you can see, I have written only 5 lines and the JavaScript version is, I think, 7 to 8 lines. So it obviously it reduce the number of line that we write. So if you are able to do this kind of things, that means you have successfully integrated the TypeScript configuration and you have set up all the things properly. Okay, so tuned with my channel. In my next channel we will see Angular dependencies, how to install it. Okay, till then, bye bye.